Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data visualization basics in our tutorial series. So today we will be looking at how to create bar plots, mainly flipped and stacked bar plots. So for this we will be still using the ggplot2 package. So let's call that, and for demonstrating this, let's create a sample data frame. So it has a couple of columns. So basically 4 columns here. We are just telling what are the trees, their age, their height, and their locations. Now we will create the bar plots using the geom_bar function, but as always, let's first create a sample plot using the ggplot2 function. So what we are telling here is that this is our data set, and the asterisk we are concerned is trees. So let's run this, and for, like I told, for creating bar plots we are using the geom_bar function, and here we are assigning the colors based on location. For that you can use the fill command. So let's run this. So yeah, it looks like this. So this is the flipped bar plots, which are also stacked. So if you remove the color function here, it will be like normal bar plots. And also, like I told you, if you change it to X, it will be like this. We can also change the order of the stacked plots here using the position function. So apparently here we have the lower count like towards the left, right? So if you want to change it, what you can do is can have this code here and just use the reverse equal true, and if you run it, now you see that the lower members have moved towards the right. You can also add a legend using the theme function. So if you use this, so now you have a legend here. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you're looking into more data visualization or analysis related stuff. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.